Hey guys, today we're making these amazing, cute little whipped cream cupcakes. They're so amazing and super delicious and so yummy and soft. It's easy to make and doesn't take much time. The full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the softened butter to a bowl. Into that, you're going to add in your sugar and then whisk this with your electric mixer for about 5 minutes until it's nice and smooth and fluffy. It should become pale in color, like this. Once you've reached that stage, then you can stop mixing and you're going to add in your eggs one by one. And you can add in your vanilla and then just mix this until well combined. Once it's nicely combined, then you can stop mixing and add in your second egg. And then just beat this until it's nicely combined. Once it looks like this, then you can stop mixing and then you can just scrape down the sides of the bowl just to ensure that everything is well combined. And then give it one last mix. Next, you're going to add in your flour, your baking powder, a pinch of salt, and your milk, and then beat this all together. It should become a nice smooth batter with no lumps. Keep mixing it and it should look like this. Once it's all mixed well, then you can scrape down the sides of your bowl and beat till well combined. Once that's done, then you can stop mixing. Then you're going to take your cupcake pan and add your cupcake liners to it, and you're going to spray it with a bit of non-stick spray, and then you're going to start to scoop your batter into your cupcake liners. Make sure you don't fill them up fully, but rather about 3/4 ways full, and they will rise. And if you need to go back to some, just add it in. And then you're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. They should become nice and golden brown in color. And they will rise in the oven like this. Once it's out of the oven, you can give it some time to cool down. And then you're going to make your whipped cream. For that, you're going to take your super cold whipping cream and add it to a bowl. Make sure your cream is cold for this. And then you're going to add in your icing sugar to taste. And then you're going to whip this with your electric mixer until it reaches stiff peaks. It should take about 10 minutes. And then you can add in your cornflour and the flavor of your choice. I've added some vanilla here. And then taste it if you need more icing sugar. And that's your whipped cream done. It should be nice and thick and firm like this. And let it cool down in the fridge. Once it's cooled down, then you're going to take your piping tip, and I'm using this star one, and add it to your piping bag. And then you just want to snip the tip. Next, you're going to take a tall glass or container and put your piping bag in there so that it's easier to fill your bag. And then you're going to fill it with your whipped cream. And then just lift it up gently and then press it down. Once all your cupcakes are cooled, you can lay them out to decorate. For the piping, you're just going to apply some pressure and then twirl your piping bag around to make a rose like this. And then decorate however you wish. And that's how easy it is to make these beautiful little cupcakes. I'm sure it can impress anyone at any party. And it's so easy to make. They're super delicious and just amazing. They're so nice and fluffy. And just super yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.